Hello dear student. Today I am discuss about an introduction to agriculture and agronomy. The term agriculture derived from two Latin words, agri plus cultura. Agri means soil and cultura means cultivation. Therefore, the term agriculture means cultivation of land. The science and art of producing crop and livestock for economic purpose. It is also referred as the science of producing crop and livestock from the natural resources of the earth. In other words, agriculture is a very broad term encompassing all aspects of crop production, livestock, fisheries, poultry, agroforestry, pisciculture, sericulture, etc. It is synonymous with farming, the production of food, fodder, and other industrial materials. Dear students, you can see branches of agriculture along with image for better understood like crop production, poultry, aquaculture, agroforestry, fisheries, livestock, sericulture, horticulture, etc. The term agronomy derived from Greek word agros plus nomos. Agros means crop and nomos means to manage. Agronomy is a branch of agriculture science which deals with principle and practice of soil, water and crop management. In other words, in recent time agronomy has assumed a newer dimension which provide favorable condition to the crop for higher productivity. Soil management. Soil management is important both directly and indirectly to crop productivity, environmental sustainability, and human health. Research will be required to avoid further degradation of soils through erosion or contamination and to produce sufficient, safe, and nutritious food for healthy diets. Water management. Water is one of the most important input essential for the production of crops. Plants need it continuously during their life and in huge quantities. It profoundly influences photosynthesis, respiration, absorption, translocation, and utilization of mineral nutrients and cell division besides some other process. Crop management. Appropriate soil and crop management practices improve soil quality and crop productivity through improved ecological and economical flexibility by reducing the need of additional agricultural land. Field preparation. The purpose of land preparation is to provide the best soil condition which will enhance the successful establishment of crops. Tillage. Mechanical manipulation of soil which is responsible for crop growth and development. Sowing time and methods of sowing. Right sowing date can maximize the outcome of interaction between these two factors, thus increasing grain yield and quality parameter of crops. Seed rate to maintain optimum plant population in the field for higher yield harvest. Fertilizer application. The role of fertilizer in food production is usually underestimated. Fertilizer are food for plants. Fertilizer replace the nutrients that crop remove from the soil. Thus, They mineral fertilizer are used to supplement the soil nutrient stock with minerals that can be quickly absorbed and used by crops. Weed Thanks for watching video.